Got this beautiful 2013 Chevy Avalanche we just finished up. Got your custom lighting in the headlights and the fog lights, color changing inside the fender wells. Underneath the truck you can see a full paint correction detail's been done. This is a Black Diamond Edition, custom XD wheels, custom exhaust, Go Recon lights, blacked out badges, and research boards. It's got a full Illusion audio sound system, custom speaker rings around the front doors, Pioneer head unit, custom Spod switch pod system, custom Black Diamond floor mats, and then a full custom Aaliyah leather kit with the diamond stitching and the blue built into it. This truck has two 12s in the back wall we custom built a box for with Illusion audio speakers. Absolutely gorgeous truck, all ready to go for the customer.